Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable budgeting categories in YNAB step by step clearly. Open the YNAB application on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to your budget for the current month. Locate the budget section on the left sidebar. Click on the Manage Categories option. In the Categories menu, look for the Add Category button. Select it to create a new budgeting category. Input the name of the category in the provided text field. Choose a color for the category to make it easily recognizable. Click Save to add the new category to your budget. Repeat the process to add more categories as needed. To enable budgeting categories, go back to the main budget screen. Locate the Show Budgeting Categories toggle switch. Click the toggle switch to enable budgeting categories. You will see your newly created categories displayed under each account. Adjust funding amounts in each category as necessary. Review your budget regularly to ensure it meets your financial goals. Make any further adjustments to category names or funding as needed. Check back to see how well you're sticking to your budget categories. That's it. You've successfully enabled budgeting categories in YNAB. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.